Clear and sunny morning, the clouds started rolling on in, and now they're thick across the area once again with even rain moving across on radar. I'll show you that in just a second. 74 degrees down at Port Arthur, Skycam, our live network. You can see the north wind at 6 miles per hour and 53% relative humidity. Just a little bit of rain in the bucket, 3/100ths of an inch. And when those clouds started rolling on in, people started kind of getting a little freaked out. Rightly so, because of the last couple of weeks of severe weather in our area. We've started seeing those shower, thunderstorms, tornadoes, all that activity going on. And you see these ominous clouds rolling in, kind of freak people out, and it's certainly going to see those showers moving on out for tonight. Nothing severe going on, by the way. We only have a couple of showers and thunderstorms that were moving across the lakes area and the triangle. Main activities now out to the west of us with a little heavier activity west of Conroe. Otherwise, it's light to moderate rain showers from Hardin, also into Liberty County, southern Jefferson County, East Chambers, southern Jasper County as well. And most of it's just a few sprinkles going on in some isolated areas. Otherwise, all that is going to be moving out overnight tonight. We'll look for a decreasing cloudiness overnight as well. 73 up in Jasper, 72 in Tyler County, in Woodville, 71. Kirbyville, Silsbee, 76, still in Beaumont, Orange, and still in the mid-70s from Port Arthur down around the coast towards Sabine Pass. 67 up in Amarillo, 88 in downtown Del Rio, Laredo at 88, 78 in awesome Austin, and 81 in Victoria. Continuing to see that little bit of drier air starting to move on into place across the area. Still right along the coast, a little bit of warmer, moist air continuing from Houston and Galveston Bay all the way into Sabine Pass and even offshore in the Gulf of Mexico south into Louisiana. Our futurecast, though, shows those clouds decreasing overnight tonight. Temperatures dropping down into the 50s overnight tonight, and highs back into the lower 80s, lower to middle 80s for the area, about 83 here in the triangle. We'll see some lower to middle 80s up in the lakes area as well for tomorrow, with lots of sunshine returning and no rain expected in the forecast after we see those showers passing through overnight tonight, or later this evening, actually, next couple of hours. East winds at 10 knots, offshore slightly choppy in the bays. Seas are going to be running about 1 to 3 feet. There's your full schedule of tides. Well, pretty full schedule. 7:23 a.m. and 3:08 p.m. are your high tides for Sabine Pass, then a low tide in between that time, just after the noon hour, and the water temperature at 76 degrees. Could see a little patchy fog early tomorrow morning because of a little bit of a moisture that we had in place overnight tonight. And then overnight tonight lows back down into the middle 50s for the lakes, upper 50s for the triangle, then mostly sunny and warm again tomorrow. Highs will be back into the lower to middle 80s. And we expect to see, again, another nice dry day for Monday with highs near 80 degrees, but then rain chances return. We have an upper level disturbance that'll be moving across our area for Tuesday and into Wednesday. That'll also drag with it a weak frontal boundary that'll move through our area. So on Wednesday, we'll be shifting out of the west to the northwest, and again, a 60% coverage of showers on Wednesday, but then cooler, drier air, temporarily drier air and cooler temperatures, especially for Thursday morning, looking at 59 degrees, but then we rapidly warm back up into the 80s coming up for the highs for Thursday, Friday, and on into Saturday with the southerly winds returning. So again, the moisture is going to be increasing toward the end of the week as far as the humidity is concerned, but our rain chances are only going to be on Tuesday and Wednesday, 40 to 60% coverage respectively, Kelsey. So looking pretty nice as far as we see Sunday and on into Monday coming up. Dry forecast, back in the forecast for at least a couple of days.
You know what I'm seeing right now is a copy and paste from last week, because this forecast looks very similar to what happened last week. We had that, that storm that blew through, that tornado that came through on Wednesday.
On Wednesday, yep.
And Wednesday again is where we're having our high percentage of showers.
Yeah, and I remember Easter Sunday, then last Sunday, also the percentage of severe weather, we had that in the forecast. After all, it's spring, and this is really when we see the severe weather outbreaks across the area, because, winter time still trying to hold on a little bit, and then spring's trying to take over. So yeah, we're seeing that activity building up across the area. But right